In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a blank page in Google Docs. Blank pages usually show up because of extra spaces, extra paragraph breaks, or page settings that push content onto a new page. I'll walk you through 3 reliable ways to fix it, starting with the quickest option and moving to settings you can adjust if needed. First, the simple cleanup using backspace. Navigate to the blank page in your document so it's visible on your screen. Click into the empty area and drag to highlight all the blank space or the extra paragraph breaks at the end of your content. Then press backspace on Windows or delete on Mac. Keep pressing until the page collapses and disappears. If the cursor jumps into your last paragraph, that means you've removed the extra break successfully. If you accidentally delete real content, don't worry, use undo to bring it back. Then try again by selecting only the empty lines at the very end. If the page is still there, adjust your line and paragraph spacing. Go to the top menu and click Format, then choose Line and Paragraph Spacing. Select Single to remove excessive spacing between paragraphs. If that doesn't solve it, return to the same menu and click Custom Spacing. Set the spacing values, especially the after setting, to 0, then click Apply. Spacing after paragraphs is a common culprit that silently pushes the final line onto a new page. Setting it to 0 brings everything back onto the previous page without affecting your text. If you're still seeing a stubborn blank page, try tweaking your page margins. Click File in the top menu, choose Page Setup, and look for margins. Reduce the bottom margin slightly, something like 0.05 or smaller is often enough, then click OK. This gives your last line a bit more room so it doesn't spill over to an extra page. Keep in mind that very small margins might not be ideal for printing, so once the blank page is gone, you can restore your usual margin settings if you prefer. Quick tip before we wrap up, most blank pages come from hidden paragraph breaks or extra spacing after your text. That's why starting with the backspace method usually solves it fast. If not, the spacing and margin adjustments will get you there. These methods will help you quickly remove unwanted blank pages and clean up your document layout. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.